So now they've sent me a 4-way clamping system, and in each box you basically get these 4 pieces and these 2 end pieces, and I'm going to show you how they work. Okay, they've also got these stopper plates that you screw on. You have to provide your own wood. First of all, first and foremost, it's recommended 2 5/8 thick stock square, and if you're like me, who's never used a system like this before, and you want to glue up a tabletop or a panel or something where there's a lot of pieces and you want consistent pressure in the middle as you do at the sides, you shape your wood so that it's thicker in the middle and slowly tapers slightly thinner down towards the end. Once you've got that, you screw these bits in place here. Okay, the short ones go on the end that doesn't have the clamping screw, and the long ones go on the end that does have the clamping mechanism. You can use stock that's up to 6 inches thick with this setup, hence the different positioning notches there. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to use 7/8 thick stock and pretend that I'm making a tabletop. In terms of up and down alignment, is not obliterated, but obsolete. I went to notch number 2 on that one, didn't I? You wouldn't be wobbling around like I am now. Okay. Now saying that all my pieces are glued together, and I've got, depending on the span of my workpiece, I've got one of these clamps every 18 inches is what they recommend. What's happening now is, as we suck the pieces together, we're also getting downward force and upward force. And I can feel the creaking, and I can feel that it's all smooth at the top. I'm surprised at the amount of force this thing can apply. But yeah, I would buy these for sure. Pretty cool.